Today at Hello Annie, I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect shrimp scampi. We're going to cook it in a delicious sauce made of a little bit of butter, olive oil, white wine, garlic, red pepper flakes, and lemon juice. For this recipe, I recommend using jumbo-sized shrimp. Peel off the skin and devein them. See that dark line? Those are the little guts. Cut right into it and try to carefully pull it out. Wash the shrimp and pat them dry. Next, I have 6 cloves of garlic and half of a red onion. Just give everything a rough chop. Let's season the shrimp with salt and pepper. Add some of the garlic, I would say about 1 tablespoon, and drizzle with olive oil. If you have some time, let that marinate 30 to 60 minutes. Coarsely chop the onion and some fresh coriander for garnish. Heat olive oil on medium heat, add your chopped onions and saute until slightly softened, about 3 minutes. Then move them to the side and add your shrimp. Cook them for 1 minute, then flip them over and give it another minute. At this point, you can add the rest of the garlic and 4 tablespoons of butter. Once that's melted, give it a quick mix. Add some red chili flakes if you like. Add a half a cup of white wine and let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. Get a big platter and serve. Drizzle the juice of half of a lemon to bring out these bright flavors of the dish. And garnish with fresh herbs. I also like to add some cocktail tomatoes. These are great if you blister them at the same time when you cook the shrimp. And have some warm bread ready for dipping all this buttery deliciousness. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!